Laurel Maryland casement windows are a strong option for homeowners who want excellent ventilation and a clean, modern look. Casement windows, double-hung windows, and sliding windows each offer distinct benefits, and the right choice depends on room layout, airflow needs, and style goals. Laurel MD sliding window replacement works well for bedrooms, kitchens, and lower-level spaces, while double-hung windows remain a classic selection for residential windows. Laurel MD. Custom windows can also be built for unique openings, making custom window replacement Laurel a useful solution for older properties and home window upgrades in Prince George's County window replacement projects. Replacement windows. Laurel quality matters just as much as the product itself, which is why Laurel MD window installers and Laurel Maryland residential window installers should be chosen carefully. Proper window installation helps prevent air leakage, water intrusion, and future repair costs, especially when dealing with window frame replacement or window seal replacement. Laurel Maryland window installation services from experienced window contractors and window installers can ensure a tight fit, accurate leveling, and long-term performance. Maryland window replacement experts often recommend a full assessment before installation so homeowners can compare window replacement estimates and select the best residential window services for their needs. Affordable windows. Laurel Maryland do not have to mean low quality, especially when homeowners work with a trusted Laurel MD replacement window company. Local window replacement Laurel providers can offer a range of options, from vinyl windows and home improvement windows to storm-resistant windows. Laurel Maryland designed for tougher weather conditions. For homeowners looking for window replacement near Laurel MD, the right contractor can balance price, performance, and style while delivering new windows. Laurel MD that fit the home's architecture. Laurel MD home improvement contractors often coordinate window retrofit projects that improve efficiency without unnecessary disruption. Energy-efficient replacement windows. Laurel Maryland are a major priority for homeowners who want lower utility bills and greater indoor comfort. Replacement windows with insulated glass, weatherproof windows, and advanced seals can reduce heat transfer and improve performance year-round. Window replacement. Laurel Maryland projects often include recommendations for double-pane windows, which offer excellent thermal benefits for residential window services. Homeowners in Laurel, Maryland can also choose energy-efficient windows that help reduce outside noise, making noise-reducing windows a strong fit for properties near roads, rail lines, and active community areas. Vinyl windows remain one of the most requested products for window replacement in Laurel MD because they provide durability, affordability, and easy maintenance. Vinyl replacement windows. Laurel MD come in many styles, including double-hung windows, casement windows, sliding windows, picture windows, bay windows, bow windows, and awning windows. These home improvement windows can be tailored to match both traditional and modern homes, and custom windows allow for precise fit in older openings. Residential windows. Laurel MD made from vinyl are especially practical for busy homeowners who want reliable performance without constant repainting or refinishing. Window replacement estimates in Laurel, Maryland often vary based on size, style, glass package, and installation complexity. Window contractors who specialize in Laurel window contractors services can assess each opening and recommend the best replacement windows for homes in Laurel MD. For some projects, a simple window retrofit is enough to improve efficiency and appearance, while others require full window frame replacement for long-term structural support. Homeowners seeking Laurel window upgrade services should compare materials, labor, and warranty coverage to find the most valuable option for their property and budget. Picture windows, bay windows, and bow windows add character and natural light to homes throughout Laurel, Maryland. These styles work especially well when paired with energy-efficient windows and insulated glass to create bright, comfortable living spaces. Bay windows and bow windows can expand a room visually, while picture windows frame outdoor views and complement a wide range of home styles. For homeowners considering windows for homes in Laurel MD, these specialty options can provide both aesthetic appeal and improved performance when installed by skilled Laurel window installers. Window frame replacement and window seal replacement are important services for older homes that show signs of drafts, moisture, or warped frames. Residential window services in Laurel, Maryland should address both the visible window and the surrounding structure to ensure lasting results. When seals fail or frames deteriorate, even high-end replacement windows may underperform, which is why thorough inspection matters. Laurel Maryland window installation services often include recommendations for storm-resistant windows. Laurel Maryland, weatherproof windows, and energy-efficient windows to strengthen the home against seasonal changes and long-term wear. Homeowners looking for replacement windows. Laurel MD, window replacement. Laurel Maryland, or Laurel MD replacement window company options often want fast service, clear pricing, and dependable craftsmanship. Laurel window contractors can provide residential windows. Laurel MD solutions tailored to local homes, whether the goal is better curb appeal, improved insulation, or quieter interiors. From affordable windows. Laurel Maryland to custom window replacement. Laurel, the right provider can deliver window replacement near Laurel MD with options for vinyl windows, double-hung windows, casement windows, sliding windows, and more. For new windows. Laurel MD and complete home window upgrades, local expertise in Laurel, Maryland and Prince George's County window replacement makes all the difference.